Hey guys, I just quickly want to thank you for joining my channel. Over 50,000 we are now. I mean, that's so awesome. I never thought the channel would grow so fast. That's why I'm gonna give away 5 of these guys I made for you. If you want to see how I made these, you can watch the original. It's linked in the description box below, or click on the small eye in the upper right. There you can also find the link to my website. Please type in your complete address like for an international parcel label, so I can just copy paste it. And that's it. With a little bit of luck, you're one of the winners.